Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a house that was reduced in price. This house is nestled at Whispering Woods in the cool Stony Hills area, sitting on a 3/4 acre lot with a lush, well-maintained garden. This 5,000 square feet home invites you in and embraces you with warmth and love. It consists of 4 bedrooms and 4.5 bathrooms. This is the ideal family home with a sunken living room, formal dining area, and also separate TV room, which allows the family to get together and make memories to last a lifetime. Each bedroom has an ensuite bathroom for convenience and worry-free mornings. There is also a grid-tie solar system, standby generator, water storage, brick oven, stunning city views, and water heater. It is conveniently located 10 minutes from Manor Park, pharmacy, supermarket, gas station, shopping plaza, and golf course. Call today and make this beautiful hideaway yours. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US 780,000 or Jamaican $120 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.